All right.
This is it.
Blows.
You missed!
Yeah, it really does.
I've seen this kind of thing 100 times before, and done better.
You've got a point.
I was so concerned with watching for its tricks that I never expected to find myself in a gun battle.
This is a waste of ammo. I might as well be shooting into the air.
Grandpa, you shouldn't be out here walking around. What would Grandma say?
Yoko, is lunch ready yet? I'm hungry. I missed breakfast.
Of course, I'll make you whatever. We just have to get you off your feet.
Where did you find a rifle like that out here?
I brought it with me, just like you did with yours.
Eat this!
Shit! Here's one for you!
Oh, no!
Suck my lead!
What happens when we run out of ammo? Will we fight with swords then? On guard! The girl is mine!
No, she ain't!
All I hear from you is bitch, bitch, bitch!
You're fighting with nothing! Enough of this! Your voice is making me crazy!
Now you lose, you tiny vermin!
You haven't laid me out yet, jerk!
You'd better be ready for that right now!